Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. I know I have been away from YouTube from a very long time. I'm really sorry about that, but I am really happy that I'm going to be on track once again. Hope so, fingers crossed. So in today's video, I'm going to give a review about the Indie Earth products. So they were very kind enough to send me across this combo pack, which is the Red Onion Anti-Hair Loss Hair Growth Oil with Red Onion Hair Shampoo. This is already opened. As you guys can see, I've already used because I wanted to use it first before giving a review. And yeah, so if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So before starting the video, I would like to give a very brief idea about the brand. So this brand, the Indie Earth, was rebranded. Previously the products were branded as Khadi Global. So due to some guidelines from KVIC that no brand can use Khadi in their brand name, so Khadi Global had to rebrand their name and they named it as the Indie Earth. So from September 2020, they have started to manufacture their products in the name of Indie Earth. They have also changed the website as well. So I leave all the links in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. And also the products, the ingredients, everything is same. They have just rebranded the packaging and the name. Rest everything, the ingredients and their products is all same as before. So you don't have to worry about that. So you can get all these products in the name of Indie Earth from Amazon, Flipkart and their own website. I leave all the links in the description box. So these are the two products which I have received. This is the Red Onion Oil and this is the Red Onion Shampoo. I have used it 2 times and I absolutely love it. First being the reason that I have a lot of hair fall problems, and onion is great for people who are looking forward to hair fall problems or hair growth problems. So I was really excited to use this product when I received it. So the ingredients in these 2 products are red onion, curry leaves and alkanet root. They are traditionally used ingredients for promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. I have always heard my mom telling me to use onion juice on your hair, on your scalp to reduce hair fall, but because of that strong smell of onion, it was always a nana for me. I would never get onion juice on my hair. So this came out very handy because it gives a very mild fragrance. I cannot say fragrance, it has a little bit of fried onion smell. It was really okay for me because it was not irritating me at all. And after using the oil, I just kept it for like 2 to 3 hours and washed it with the shampoo, and I found my hair to be really soft. I cannot say that it has reduced hair fall, but it really has reduced the frizz, which I didn't expect it because I was looking forward for the reduction in hair fall, which is not going to happen in 1 or 2 uses. So I have to wait for that. But overall, I really love the oil because of the obvious reason that it has onion in it. So if you buy this oil individually, it is going to cost you 695 rupees and it has 200 ml of oil. I think you can use it for a good 2 to 3 months. So yeah, this was about the onion oil. Now coming to the shampoo, I was very skeptical about this because I love products which has good fragrance in it. I'm not a person who likes non-fragrance products. I love using sulfate-free products, but I want fragrance in it. So I was very skeptical about this product, but it amazed me because it has an amazing fragrance. It is not of onion. It's really soothing and I love it. I absolutely love the fragrance, and also I love the texture of the shampoo because it has actually made my hair very smooth, soft, and I absolutely love it. You can just see I just took a shower, so you can just see my hair I have, and you can actually see you can actually see it in my previous video. I have frizz problems, so it has actually tamed a little bit. I'll not tell it has tamed completely, but to an extent it has tamed, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I will definitely recommend this product to everyone. So this is again a 200 ml of product, and this retails for 545 rupees if you buy it individually. So again, these two products are completely Ayurvedic and natural. So this product contains no sulfate and no parabens, which is amazing for your hair. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and absolutely love how my hair looks after blow dry. Normally my hair doesn't look like this after blow dry. It's very frizzy, then I have to apply the serum and all. This is without serum, guys. It's literally made my hair look very lustrous. It's more fluffy, and it looks very voluminized. So I'm really happy with these two products. And also telling about the packaging of these two products, I love it. It's very sleek and it's also attractive as well. So yeah, absolutely love these two products. So there's an offer going on in these two products. Like if you buy it together, there's a combo pack. You can get it for 1,240 rupees, which is a very decent price for a shampoo and an oil. So yeah, I leave all the links in the description box. If you guys wanna buy it, then please click the link and you'll be redirected to their website or Amazon or Flipkart. So yeah guys, this was all about the Indie Earth products. I absolutely love it. I do not have much of cons. I already told you guys, I'm not a person who likes non-fragrance products. So the oil has a little bit of fried onion smell. That is the only con I could find out. Other than that, I absolutely love these products. So this was my honest experience with the Indie Earth products. If you guys have any other experience, please do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit that like button. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. Also click that bell button besides it so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, this was it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Mwah.